Hey Virgo, what's up? Welcome to your reading. This is your Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. It is a general reading. This may or may not resonate. If it doesn't, check out your other placements. Some of the energies of the cards here can be flipped, so feel free to switch those energies vice versa. And if you need a personal reading, you can reach me on Instagram or email me. The link, not the link, the information is going to be in the description box again. All right. Let's see. This is for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Let's see what's going on in your connection from now until the end of July 2021. It's a little bit too late, but okay. It probably will go on to August, first week of August. Let's see. This is for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. What's going on in your connection? And what can you expect in love? Who's coming towards you? All that good stuff, okay? All right. One last shuffle. All right, let's see, Virgo. Who's coming towards you in love? What's going on in your connection? Ace of Pentacles in reverse. There is a lack of a new start here right now. Okay. There is an opportunity here that has been missed because someone here is probably too much into isolation here. There is a lack of confrontation is what I'm getting here. You or the person you're dealing with. Someone out here is too isolated, and this person here out here wants a new beginning with you is what I'm getting. But the problem here is that this person here is probably trying to keep themselves busy in their day-to-day work, in their day-to-day activities, in order for them to not make a decision. Okay, but there is this silent treatment going on. Someone's very paranoid, you know. I'm getting that vibe of overthinking, you know, and this person that you're dealing with, because of which there's a lack of new start here, this person could be very lonely, you know, very isolated, whether they're with friends, whether they're at home here. But there's this nagging sense of dissatisfaction, okay, with what's going on in their life, is what I'm getting here. Okay, tell me more. The moon here, see, that's what I said. There's a lot of emotions. There's a lot of emotions that this person has that you're thinking about, but this person here is suppressing their emotions here. um this person could be here, you know, you could be dealing with someone here, you know, who thinks of the worst outcome, you know, a very negative thinker here. This person's probably experience, their imagination is very, you know, it's like this increased imagination here. Imagination is all not always positive, right? Imagination can lead to overthinking also, which is what's going on right now. I feel this person is finding it very difficult to talk about the issues or express how they truly feel. Okay, but these thoughts that this person is experiencing, right, it's leading to a lot of fear, anxiety, and stress out here. What else? What else for Virgo? This person is going through a lot of emotional cycles. There's a lot of, this person's feeling very emotional right now. And there is no communication. There could be a lack of passion, lack of communication, lack of I mean, there's like no sex. But the Page of Wands in reverse is telling me that there's this lack of motivation here, you know, for this person here to come towards you and start a conversation here. Could be you, could be them, but I feel this person out here wants to talk to you, but there's a lot of procrastination from their side. You know, this person here wants to keep it very light-hearted, you know, they want to keep it all fun and games out here. But I think you could be someone here who could be wanting something very, very stable, something very, very secure here. You're dealing with someone very immature is also what I'm getting here. Okay, and this person's constantly procrastinating, putting things off rather than taking action and making it happen. This person very fearful, very fearful. They lack the confidence out here. See, with the Fool in reverse here, right? This person here is wanting to stay in their comfort zone. They don't want to step out of their comfort zone and make things happen here. Okay, could be a bully, but I'm getting someone here, you know, who throws tantrums if they don't get things their way. Okay, still not wanting to take a new direction or new approach, which is towards you, which is why there's no new beginning here. So the love is there, but they won't do anything about it. What else for Virgo? What else for Virgo? Trust issues, trust issues, trust issues. With the Five of Swords here, this person here probably needs to. This person sees you as marriage material. This person wants growth, expansion with you. They want a relationship with you. But in order for that relationship to happen, right, this person is holding on too tight, too tight. This is probably something that they've been taught. Something that comes off where they don't want to open up. They have that fear of opening up. They're too obsessed, and probably they're still holding on to the grudges or negative perspectives or any kind of toxicity from their past relationship or in their life here. This person has a very tight grip, of how their things should be, and they're not letting things run its course, is what I'm getting here. Okay, but with the Five of Swords here, this person here has trust issues, and someone here who probably has been sabotaging the connection out here. Someone here, who doesn't trust you. Someone who pushes away what they really want. So a lot of mind games is what I'm getting here. A lot of mind games here. A lot of conflicting thoughts and emotions about the situation here. But it's like petty issues are escalating into something very serious. This person could be someone who's very mean when they talk. They need to watch their words, because words become actions or habits, and that's something that they don't want to continue here. But it looks like you walked away from this. You've just walked away because you just realized this is something that you don't um, it's like an unwinnable spot for you. Okay, it's like, I can't deal with this. Okay, and I think you're just ready to move on, or you've just accepted defeat, and you're just letting it go. You walked away from this situation here because of this person's mind games, mind fuckery, whatever it was. Tell me more for Virgo. Yep, see, you walked away. Now they're feeling guilty. They want to come back. They want to come back, but they won't tell you. This person here is a player, the kind of person that you're dealing with, or someone constantly in and out of your life here. This person here, is more like a daredevil. This is someone very reckless, very impulsive, and this is a bully also who wants to win at any cost here. So that's the kind of person you're dealing with here. This person is overly confident, reckless, egoistic, arrogant, but they lack that self-control. They lack that discipline here. Okay, one is where they want to come towards you. So what if it's passionate? That's fine, but at least they're coming towards you with a direction that they only want you. Here it's more like, they're very all over the place, and could be someone here who's very addicted to you. Okay, very addicted to you, and this person tries to constantly manipulate to get the attention from you, or they just manipulate you to get their own way. Okay, very in and out energy here. Tell me more. Could be one of the reasons, a biggest reason why you walked away, because this player had emotions, but you were like, what am I going to do with the emotions, right, if you're not going to stick around? See, you're dealing with someone here where you have that unrequited love. See, you've released this person here. Okay, this is someone you're dealing with who probably, you were in this self-sabotage, where you constantly, you knew this was not right. You knew probably something was not right, or this person was not the right one for you. They would create a lot of unnecessary drama, or someone here, who just wasn't giving you the attention that you needed. Okay, and now you've reached a point where you're just so emotionally closed off. Could be this person here. Keep in mind the energies can be switched. All right, but now you're dealing with someone here, where you're in the midst of a very rough patch in your relationship here. There's a lot of creative blocks. You're just being unable to um, you're just feeling emotionally very overwhelmed. Okay, and there's this inability, where to stay focused on this relationship here. But with the Ace of Cups in reverse here and the Devil in reverse here, I feel you have released something that was very, very toxic, or released a person that was very toxic, and someone you probably even wanted commitment with. Let's see. You're closed off to this person here. They want to come back, but you're closed off emotionally. Tell me more. Because they didn't reciprocate the love, right, that you wanted here. Someone out here, right, this could be this person also, will clarify, but you could also be dealing with someone here who lacks forgiveness. This person has a hard time loving themselves, which is why they can't love the other person here. They always expect the other person to keep loving them, and they don't give anything back in return. What else for Virgo? Queen of Pentacles, yeah. You're very focused on your money. You're very focused on your money, your stability, security. You're being very practical, very realistic right now. All this while probably you are holding on to this connection. Okay, probably giving this person what they needed rather than, doing something that was good for you. okay, because you're the caretaker here, right? You're the one who nurtures. You nurture the connection, you care for the connection, and which is why the connection was growing. So it was all your effort out here. Now I feel you've reached a point where you realize you have this you have like this steady confidence presence, okay, and you care for yourself, okay, your home, your family here, but you're achieving this perfect balance out here, probably between family and friends, or work and leisure, whatever it is. But you are looking forward to, um, financially secure yourself, okay, to enjoy your life. But people trust you, okay. But Queen of Pentacles here is telling me that this person also here sees you as someone that they want to get married to, or this is someone here who sees a future with you. They see you as someone they want to invest in. But I think you are making it more emotionally, you're emotionally disconnected and just wanting to think about things more practically and realistically here. See, with the Six of Wands in reverse here, this is someone here where things, you're not giving this person the attention that they need, is what I'm getting here. This person feels you're very unapproachable, and they don't feel valued, they don't feel appreciated. Moreover, I feel you're not giving them the attention that they need, or the attention that they want here, which is like, making them even more um, restless, is what I'd say, which is bringing them back here. Tell me more for Virgo. What else for Virgo? Two of Pentacles. Yeah. See, this person here wants to come back. Yeah. Oh, yeah. They want to come back, but it's going to be slow, huh? It's not going to be like an overnight thing when they're going to come back. They are thinking about you, okay, but this person is very patient, very practical, persistent is what I'd say, but this person wants to get their shit together before they come towards you. They're feeling guilty, but that doesn't mean that they're just going to come towards you and tell you that. But they're definitely, very stubborn, but someone here who likes to take the slow approach with the right frame of mind, okay, that determination is there to you know stick to the goal and make their dreams come true. So they're coming back towards you, but it's going to take some time before they offer you something stable here. But do you see something with the with the Queen of Pentacles here and the Knight of Pentacles here? See that age difference out here? Wouldn't have been an age difference here, but there's definitely someone here, who you're dealing with, who's probably not as mature, who's not as mature as you are, and you know exactly where to invest your energies. You could also be dealing with a married person, or this person could be married. I'm getting more like you could have been married, or you are married, okay, or just probably very very invested, or you have a lot of other responsibilities, and this person here is very slow moving, which is why you were like, what the hell, when is the start coming, when is the stability and security coming in. But this person here has a lot of other responsibilities, not making you a priority, which is why you feel there's unrequited love, okay. And the communication's fucked up here with the Page of Wands in reverse here. That's another problem here. So, okay, they're very in and out here. Wow, such a clear story. What else for Virgo? This person's trying to bring balance to your life, okay, to their life here. Could be wanting to juggle between you and another person, juggle between you and another situation, could be juggling of how to make this right, okay. This person needs time here. They gotta get their shit together. What else for Virgo? Five of Wands in reverse. Looks like there is a compromise coming in with the Three of Cups here. This person wants a reconciliation. Do you see how pretty the cards are? Like, oh my god. Wow. So with the Three of Cups here, I feel that this person wants a reunion here. This person wants to reconcile. They want to come back towards you. They miss you, the times that they had with you. All of it. All of it. This is an emotional bonding that they want with you, okay? And there is celebration that this person wants with you. This person wants teamwork. Okay. So yeah, let's see. We're gonna clarify. Why is the Ace of Pentacles in reverse here? Why is the Ace of Pentacles in reverse here? Yeah, because you stood up for yourself, right? With the Emperor here. You chose to take control of the situation. You want structure. You want stability. You want security. You're no longer wanting to mess around. You don't got time for this, and you're just like, what? It's gotta be this way because this is the right thing to do. Again, you're not coming up with someone who's more like my way or the highway. I just feel you're taking control of the situation and living by your own rules here. You're wanting to build your future vision on a very solid foundation and structure here, okay? And if it doesn't work out with this person, you're okay to let it go. What's the Moon here? Four of Wands in reverse. Yeah, see, this person is not prepared to give you what you want. Okay, which is why there's a lack of stability here. This person's still preparing, they still need to lay down the foundation here. Okay, this person has a lot of fears for commitment, is also what I'm getting here. Four of Cups here, this person probably fears rejection. This person is, in that place, in that low vibrational place where they probably feel abandoned by you. What's the Page of Wands in reverse? What's the Page of Wands in reverse? Justice. They want to make things right. They want to get a balance here. They want to make things right with you. Okay. I keep getting the Knight of Pentacles. Yeah, they're just too slow, guys. They're just too slow. I mean, that's a Virgo, right? That's a typical Virgo here. They just want to make things right. They want to take things slow. So if you're ready to take things slow, they want to make a fair decision. Okay. And this person's wanting to, they have a lot of regret. They want to right or wrong here. But this person here, I feel, is wanting to face the consequences, of whatever their past decision and actions is. Probably they've got their karma here, but they want to make a final call here, of wanting to balance things out, but they're not saying it. They're not saying it. Five of Swords, please. Five of Swords. Tower. Yeah. So you walked away, right, with the Tower here. This was a huge realization for this person here. The moment you walked away, they didn't know that you would walk away. They had a huge realization. Maybe there was an empty victory here where they thought that they had it all, but with the Tower moment here, this was like a huge epiphany, a huge realization of some sort, like some truth that was like on their face, like, dude, like, it really didn't work out. Their tricks weren't working out all this while. It was working out all this while, and now it doesn't. They don't have the control over you anymore. Let's see. Why is the Seven of Swords in reverse? The Devil in reverse. This person here is whatever they were doing all this while, right? With the Sun here. Look at that. So pretty. This person here is now wanting to look at things in a more positive way. Probably all this while they were trying to run away from the connection here. Okay, they were bottling up their feelings. And they were trying to do what was logical rather than trying to do what their heart was saying here. Okay, but now they want to re-establish the trust, okay, towards you, and they want to come off as someone very, very trustworthy. With the Devil in reverse here, this person is ready to release anything that was coming between you and them. Okay, the Devil is, I mean, it's like this person was feeling trapped all this while, and now they're letting go of anything unhealthy, any unhealthy attachments, addictions, or any third party codependency, fear. They're letting it go. Okay, you realize that with the Sun here, this person is wanting to see this relationship in a more optimistic way. Okay, they have more clarity. More than anything, I feel this person has a more positive mindset now that they're coming towards you. Okay, they want to bring in a lot of clarity. They're very illuminated, wanting a new beginning with you. What's the Ace of Cups in reverse? Page of Cups. Now this person wants to come. You're shut off, but now this person wants to come towards you with the Seven of Pentacles here. They're still waiting and watching, okay, but they want to talk to you. They want to communicate with you. So yeah, you're shut off now is what I'm getting here. You're the one who's shut off. You're no longer open to this relationship. You're just blocked. You just feel blocked. You're just blocked. You're hurt. You're coming out from a place of resentment. You're so shut because you're experiencing more fear here. Okay, and you're like, I don't know if I want to open up to you anymore. You're just like, I don't know. I'm scared. You're just afraid to open up to this person here because you realize when you were vulnerable, this person, just broke your trust, and this person wants to talk to you now. They want to apologize probably. Two of Swords in reverse. They see things very, very clearly for what it is here, okay? But they won't let you go. What's the Queen of Pentacles? What's the Queen of Pentacles? See, the thing is that all this while you weren't practical, right? You were emotional. Now you're thinking more practically, which is why you're shutting off yourself to any kind of emotional vulnerability. Queen of Pentacles, please. Wow, the Sun. Yeah, you want a brand new beginning in your life. You're trying to see things. You don't want a new start with this person is what I'm getting here. Damn, so pretty. It's the orange actually. It's the red, orange, and yellow that I like so much. So, yeah, what I'm getting here is that this could have been a very on and off connection with this person out here. Okay, things just start and stop, start and stop. You've had a lot of false starts with this person, is also what I'm getting here. And now you're like, you know what? I think I got the clarity that I need here. That's what's happening here from your side. You don't want to take the initiative to start this again because probably you feel this is all about passion, and there's just a lot of sex and passion, and there's just nothing concrete developing here. So I think you're trying to view your life, okay, uh, in a more positive way. Okay, you have the clarity that you need, you're being very optimistic, you have the truth and clarity that you need. Even if this person does not let you go, they don't give you the closure, you're still okay where you are. All right, I think you're trying to bring a lot of positive and good in your life by being very balanced now, you know. That's what I'm getting here. You're spending time doing things that make you feel happy, or just being with people you love and admire, etc. What's the Two of Pentacles? Two of Pentacles. Four of Pentacles in reverse. Okay, so someone needs to make a decision out here. Someone needs to make a decision out here. Okay, this is someone here who's in two minds about wanting to release. Yeah, see, with the Ten of Cups here, right? It could be you, okay, or it could be them here. I feel this is someone here who needs to make a choice about whether you want to completely release this person, or this person needs to make a choice about wanting to open up and have this Ten of Cups with you. Yeah, see, there's a lot of guardedness here. There's a lot of guardedness here. But yeah, one of you. Both of y'all could be indecisive here, okay? Or it could just be you. Whoever's this, right? With the Two of Pentacles and the Four of Pentacles in reverse. Yeah, I feel whoever this person is trying to make a choice of whether they should let you go completely or they should hold on to you. I feel this is you. Because this person makes you very happy, or this is them. But yeah, I think they're in two minds about what to do. Maybe they have been holding on to the things, from the past here, and they need to make up their mind about should they not. Okay, because they want this Ten of Cups with you. What's the Five of Wands in reverse? What's the Five of Wands in reverse? Queen of Cups. This person wants a reconciliation. They're very emotionally attached to you. They're very emotionally attached to you. Whatever conflicts you guys had in the past, whatever there were, whatever you both were competing, or whatever y'all were doing, right? This person is finally, whatever irritation, arguments, bickering, clashing, you guys were not on the same page, whatever it was, this person here is finally wanting to have a resolution here. That's a reconciliation, that's a resolution. This person wants to come up to the same page with you because this person has a lot of love for you. They want to be compassionate this time around, open up emotionally. See, that's why with the Page of Cups and the Queen of Cups here, they're very attached to you. I think they're growing up. Let's see, give me one more card. Where's the Queen of Cups here? Where's the Queen of Cups here? Where's the Queen of Cups here? Nine of Cups in reverse. Yeah, see, they're not happy. They're not happy, but obviously they need to make a choice, right? With the Two of Wands here, that's a lot of fear coming from them, That's a lot of fear of making the wrong decision. What's the Page of Cups here? What's the Page of Cups? The Lovers. Wow, damn, this person's growing up to this connection. It's like that sense of realization now that with the Devil in reverse here, they're letting go of whatever was coming between you guys externally, codependency, fear, commitment issues, whatever. They're growing to this connection. I feel like you walking away and this Tower moment that you brought into their life, or the universe brought into their life, has made them realize how much they want you. And with the Sun here, the positive aspect, the positive way that you approach life, the optimism, etc. Law of attraction, right? The more positive affirmations you do, the more positive you are, you get what you want. That's what you're doing, and that's what you're getting. Yeah, there is a very, very strong twin flame connection that this person is finally awakening to. They want to talk to you, and yeah, they love you. Okay, they're not happy without you at all. They're not. So that's what I have for you. Hope this reading resonates, and I'll see you in the same. Bye bye.